US is cutting the interest rate. Are the Singapore dividend stocks going for a bull run? Hey everyone, Andy Yu here, award-winning stockbroker, and also behind me is Caleb. Okay, so today, right, we have a special, this what we call session. Okay, this video we're gonna talk about the top 5 dividend stocks. Okay, that is good for these investors. Okay, so right now I'm, we are actually traveling, and I'm actually sitting in a bathtub. Okay, just to make this video more interesting, okay, I have Caleb with me. Caleb is also our award-winning stockbroker for the input. Okay, so by the way, okay, what do you think, Caleb, about the interest rate? Is it going to come down?
Wow, many people are asking it.
Huh?
Okay, so I think nowadays a lot of retail investors wow, they keep asking about the interest rate. I think they know more than us, huh, Andy?
Yes, yes. I think yeah, it's all over the news, US market,
Exactly.
because the job data is not very good. Okay, so the chances of the interest rate going down is very high. And one more thing is, I think, what do you think about the bank? All these people, like people who put money in the bank. What are they thinking? Are they asking you to, like take the money out or invest something?
Exactly, Andy. I keep catching up with my client as well. So some of them who are very conservative one, usually, last time previously when the interest rate was high, right? So most of the time they put the money inside the where? Inside the, fixed deposit, T-bills, all
Mm.
right. So right now T-bills, fixed deposit, wow, the rate is not so good anymore. So they begin to call me, So I getting busy and busy nowadays. Okay.
Mm.
They call me, hey, to have a cup of tea. Okay. Then they will begin to ask me lah. Okay,
What?
jia.
Okay,
Long time never
ah,
call me already, long time.
okay.
Right? Because most of the time money put in a fixed deposit. So call me and then they ask me, hey, where should I put the money? All right. So I guess the the place to put the money right now is the stock
The
markets.
stock market is
Okay,
going on a bull run, right?
you're right, exactly. And then those people who are very conservative one, they are looking at the REITs, okay, which is nothing wrong, okay. And then dividend stock like blue chips already so high, okay. And then you might notice that some of the stock from the peak previously, and then they begin to sell down, profit takings. Beside that, right, Singapore top three banks are still very strong.
Mm.
Okay, so people keep asking me, can I still buy Singapore bank? Can I still keep Singapore bank? What's your view, Andy?
Wow. Okay.
Singapore
I
bank,
saw this DBS today, right?
yeah,
Up 3%. Okay. DBS today up 3%. So
3%.
already up so high, still can go up 3%. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, by the way, okay, I saw your this shirt very nice.
Yeah,
Okay. Can show us the behind also?
behind,
Ah,
behind. Oh,
behind,
okay,
behind,
sure,
behind,
sure,
behind.
sure.
Wow, show me the behind. Wow, show me your behind. Wow. Wow, very nice. The 1% trader. Wow, this shirt, right? I think is worth at least $50 Sing,
More than that,
more than that. Okay, so by the way, for people who like and subscribe this video, okay, like and subscribe this video and comment, okay, let me know your comment below. Okay, so if you are our clients, you are watching this, you like, subscribe to this channel and comment below. Okay, do some comment, right? So just any comment, maybe it's like thank you Andy, thank you Caleb, or just mention Andy and Caleb. Okay, write a comment below. Okay, we will choose one lucky person to give out this t-shirt. Give out this t-shirt. So
And
if
the
you
quality is very high. I mean, it's a very good quality.
very good
Yeah,
quality.
very good quality. I wear it almost every day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's quickly get on to the stock, right? What are some of the best dividend stocks right now in Singapore? Okay, so first of all, I would look at, like, how to choose. I will look at SGX, and then I will look at the stage 2, and then from there I look at which one is the most traded one, and from here, okay, I will also look at what are some of the which are some of the REITs lah. Okay, REITs. Okay, by the way, okay, a lot of people, they didn't know that the real estate stock is moving up very fast. Okay, like example Propnex, example like UOL. These real estate developers, even Capital Land, is very slow. Okay, but the rest, okay, the rest just now I mentioned, right, Propnex, okay, all these, they are moving up very fast. Okay, APEC Realty, okay, APEC Realty, all is moving up very fast. Okay, so in other words, Singapore, right, is right now on a bull market. Okay, on a bull market. But is this for everybody? The answer is it is not for everybody. Okay, so basically today, right, we focus on the dividend stocks. Okay, the dividend stocks. So one of the dividend stocks, right, okay, that is quite strong is actually this NetLink. Okay, NetLink, right, is one of the, we call it
Well,
one of
it's
the
a Hong Kong
high
stock.
high dividend stocks. Okay, it's pretty high dividend. And the good thing is about NetLink, right, is it is actually on the long-term uptrend since 2018, right? IPO at about 50 cents, now is 94 cents. Okay, so in other words, right, this stock haven't disappointed any of the investor. Okay, so and if you look at like NetLink, okay, Trust, okay, dividend. Okay, so if you look out for NetLink Trust dividend, right, okay, you can check out some of these websites. Okay, so the dividend yield is about 5%. It's about 5 to almost 6%. Okay. So when the interest rate down, right, okay, actually, it just gives this kind of stock more mileage to move. Okay. So of course, this is not the fastest moving stock. Okay. Today we are not talking about faster. We are talking about like some of the dividend stocks. Okay. Some of the dividend stocks. Okay. Why is it now a good time to look at dividend stocks? Okay. Let me just have my view lah. Okay. So basically, number one is like, okay, number one is if you look at a lot of other stocks, right, they move up very fast. Okay, so maybe, right, the investors, they are, want to play safe one. Okay, maybe they move their money into the less volatile stocks. Okay, so in short term, maybe they want to take the risk of the those very volatile stocks. Okay, so at this time, if you go and buy those already shoot up 50%, 100% stocks, very volatile, is it dangerous? What do you think?
I have different view, Andy.
Ah,
I have different view.
you different
All
view.
right. Yeah. I think this is a fresh money, new money,
New money.
new money.
Okay.
Yeah, because those people, right, who investing in what we call it, I mean, they put money in the fixed deposit, right?
Ah,
Okay, they don't touch growth stocks
oh,
previously.
okay.
So now they are withdrawing, Andy.
Okay, they
So I
withdraw
consider this as a new fresh fund
from
from their
bank.
bank.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
from their bank. Okay, and then they are
That's possible, yeah.
so they are planning to invest in the REITs. Okay, stock markets. All right. If you look at the entire market, right, of course, interest rate play a very big part in the stock markets because it might actually impact the stock market as well. So obviously, if you observe, right, the REITs, right, begin to recover. Okay, begin to recover, and some of the REITs give a very attractive dividend yield. So think about it, all right? If you are a investor, okay, obviously you want to park your money in somewhere that can pay you high dividend yield. So obviously they will pull out from the fixed deposit. So what about the bank?
Okay, so yes. Okay, so basically, right? Okay, basically, NetLink is one of the stocks. Okay, and this is probably the one of the most traded one. Okay, besides of course NetLink, the best one, right? Actually, I think the best one, right, is Singtel. Okay, for dividend, okay, for dividend, okay, is the best, as in best performing, is actually Singtel. Okay, why? Because this one is the blue chip, the biggest stock, and also the most traded stocks in Singapore. However, it's already up quite a lot. Okay, quite a lot. So one of the place to look out for is like other REITs or other trusts. Okay, so if you haven't caught Singtel now at $4 something, it's not the best price. If you can drop to this uptrend line, okay, let me draw an uptrend line here. This is the support level. So if you can drop to around $4 or $4.10, that could be a support level. So it's $4, $4.10 this area. Maybe for short term, you want to make a 5-10% gain, must wait for it to drop. Okay, if not, it's already up from $3.95 to $4.40, already up 10%. At this price, it's not going to be like really, really good. Okay, so if you notice, right, do you notice the Valuetronic, all this also going up, right?
Yeah, this one small cap, mid caps.
Yeah, small mid cap also going up. And then, okay, today I'll focus on some dividend stocks. How about the Lion Philip S REITs? What do you see? Lion Philip S REITs.
Wow, okay, it's a ETF, okay, so it's make things easier for investors who are very busy. Okay, if you don't have time to monitor the stock markets, okay, I think this will be suitable for you.
Mm.
All right, so I mean they have the components, REIT stocks inside this ETF selected by what we call that, the issuer.
Yes, yes. So besides that, let me see what other REITs. Okay, so just now we talked about like for dividend stocks, right? Okay, basically Singtel, NetLink, okay, all these are really, really like promising. That means very stable and uptrend. Okay, very stable and uptrend. Okay, so I noticed, right? Okay, I noticed actually a lot of the REITs, right, is still not on the uptrend. Okay, still not on the uptrend. They are still not on stage two.
Yeah.
Where are they? Where are the
Where are they?
where are the REITs? How come all
Probably,
is not
probably
on
they
the
are
stage
waiting for
two?
you. They are waiting for you to invest
Oh
before they
my
are moving
god.
up.
Okay, so lucky we are not
Lucky.
the long-term REITs
Yeah.
investor. Okay, lucky we are not the long-term REITs investor. So, okay, let's take a look at what are some of the most popular REITs. Okay, so the example, let's say Parkway Life. Okay, Parkway Life REITs. Okay, so Parkway Life. Oh, I know why already, because my filter. Okay, my filter, I put something here. Okay, I put something here. So the filter actually filter out. Okay. Okay, so never mind.
What
Okay,
is
never
your
mind.
view, Andy? Maybe I ask you. Okay, some of
Mm-hmm.
the REITs, right, has been there for many years. Some of them already more than 10 years. I
Yes.
still remember before, before COVID,
Uh-huh.
zero interest rate during that time. Those REITs, right, they went up, doubles.
Mm.
Okay, now they are considered matures. Okay, stables.
Mm.
So, are you still investing in these, REITs that already went up, or are you looking at those REIT that currently is still trading at below $1 and still give you a very attractive yield?
Okay, so personally, I will feel that when the REITs move, right, they move together. Okay, they move together. So those that is already uptrend will be moving faster than those that haven't moved. So price wise, usually above $1 one is like more mature, more stable. So for me, if I'm buying REITs, I don't want to buy those that is really, really downtrend and we don't know when it's going to turn around one. Okay. So example like Parkway Life, all this is very standard. It's very standard because this Parkway Life is healthcare REITs. So in US, right? Okay, there's this AHR, American
AHR.
Healthcare REITs. Okay. So this American Healthcare REITs, right? Up like 71% this year. Okay.
Wow.
And very steady. You know? Very steady. Okay. Of course the dividend maybe not fantastic lah. But the the capital gain, right, is very steady.
Yeah, I mean, for
Yeah.
those of you who are investing in a dividend, right, usually we don't go for US stock for dividends.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
US stock is mainly for price appreciations, okay, or capital gains.
Yes. So basically when I see this, right, I see, hey, last year 2024 also uptrend, Okay, and this year 2025 also uptrend. Okay. So in other words, right, it's actually, it's telling us that healthcare REITs is not just in Singapore. Okay, so Parkway Life is actually good. It's actually good as a healthcare REITs, but there's also other healthcare REITs. Okay, so in other words, if you look at Parkway Life, right, the chart here, right, okay, This one is like a a consolidation, a huge consolidation,
Ascending triangle.
ascending triangle,
Wow, you know the chart pattern.
VCP.
Wow.
Okay, so in other words, right, if this is the kind of like the bottom, and now we are on the breakout, okay, and if this REITs going for a bull market, Parkway Life is definitely one of the stock to watch lah. Okay, so just now we talk about Singtel, NetLink, Parkway Life. Okay, what about the rest?
What
About the
about
rest?
we take a look one of the REITs from Hong Kong,
Okay, yes,
Link REITs. The code
Link.
number is 0823.
Okay, 0823. Yes, wow, this one haven't moved.
Correct. So currently the dividend yield is around 6%.
6%.
6%.
So dividend yield 6%,
Yeah.
and then still near the bottom signal.
Not
Okay.
really moved yet.
So you can see the previous time the bottom signal happened, it actually shoot up from 33 to 44. Wow. Okay, that's about 30%. So now the bottom signal also appear.
So I think there is a potential upsize. So that means they are both lah. You may gain both.
Yes.
So it's very interesting for these stocks. Capital gains and dividend yields.
Okay, that's a good one. Okay, so while we are talking right over here, okay, Caleb is helping me to find other stocks as well. Okay, so do help me to like and subscribe to this channel every week. We try to do some content for you. Okay, if you subscribe every week, you will get this recording, you will get this video through our YouTube. Okay, and yeah, you see, we travel around the world, and despite our busy schedule, we still do this video for you, right? Okay, so anyway, yeah, your like and subscribe and comment is the best support for us. Okay, so next, okay, let's is there any other stocks? Okay, let me see. Okay, let me just quickly go through some of the other REITs. Okay, like example, the Singapore favorite Mapletree Logistic Mapletree.
So you just let me know lah. What is the dividend yield you are looking at, Andy? I can help you to search.
I'm looking for like, I don't like too high one. So
Okay.
5-6% is actually good.
5-6%, there are many, you know.
Yeah, 5-6% is good enough.
They are Kaplan's,
Okay.
Escorts.
So let me just share with you this one, Kaplan Ascenders. Okay, Kaplan Ascenders. Okay, so through this chart, right? Okay, you can see that right now I'm opening Mapletree Logistic, and what do I see in Mapletree Logistic is this is a very downtrend stock. Okay, so I don't think this is the best REITs lah. Okay, in fact, this is one of the worst REITs, Mapletree Logistic Trust.
Hey, I thought, Andy, buy low, sell high, right?
Yeah.
Dividends supposed
But
to
if
buy
you-
low, right?
Yes, but then if you look at the Singapore market, right? The Singapore market already on a bull run.
Okay.
So this stock is still, like on.
Isn't that they are waiting for the interest rate to be cut?
Yeah, but other REITs already up already. Other REITs.
REITs.
Okay. So this is the, if market not good or what, this is the one that dropped the most. But if you look at the right side over here, right? At the right side of this chart, right? The strongest one is actually this Kaplan Ascenders. Okay? And this one look like a chart pattern, right? Look like a cup and handle. Look at the cup and handle. And the red color to blue it means that the trend just started. Okay, red to blue, the trend just started. So every time red is downtrend, red to blue, the trend just started, red to blue, the trend just started. So this one, right, maybe this is just starting. And what could potentially happen is, like example, this place, right? You see this pattern like a cup and handle, right? Okay. So what happened now, right? Okay, what's happening now, right? It's just like, we are looking at a cup and handle. So which means, okay, possibly, right? Okay, possibly this thing is going on like a continuous uptrend. Okay, maybe like potentially, right, this one can continue to go for the uptrend. Then continue. Okay, so why if you look at this ascenders, it's also long-term uptrend. So every time I see the stock, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, that means this stock is the best one. So instead of looking at a lot of other REITs, might as well focus on the best one long term. So Ascenders is the best among the other Maple Tree REITs. So might as well, for those people who are stuck for a long time, I would rather they go for your link REITs. They change the the losing REITs to link REITs, or change to, or add more on Ascenders, or switch the loser one, you move to Ascenders. I think that could be a better allocation. What do you think?
I mean, okay, that is a good idea.
Yeah,
All right.
rather than they keep on holding the one never move. Okay, what is the the better idea?
Okay. I mean, that is up to individuals already. I
Yeah.
mean, for us, right, the way that we do, right, we will switch, okay, or change
Yeah,
the
we
stocks.
will
Yeah.
massage the portfolio a little bit.
Yeah, because we know what are the best stocks
Yeah.
in the stock market, and then we know how to switch and then do some magic lah. Okay, do
Yes,
some
yes,
magic.
yes.
Hey, Andy, just now I saw you know how to draw the trend line. Where do you learn this thing?
Wow, I learned this from the class, your class lah.
Oh, my class.
Every week you got class lah.
Every week, every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday.
Oh.
Free.
Okay, the preview is free.
Ah.
All right. Hey, tonight.
Tonight,
I have a
Wednesday.
preview,
Wednesday.
Yeah.
Tonight.
7:30 p.m.
7:30.
Yeah, 7:30 p.m. All right. So if you are interested, you want to know more about my program, okay, you can click the link below.
Okay.
Right? And then we will send you the link.
I think we put at the comment there lah.
Can.
Okay, put at the
Yeah.
comment there.
So the preview is free one. Okay.
Okay. So just now we talked so much. What stock?
Okay. We have link REITs.
Link REITs. Okay.
Okay. We have Parkway Life.
Parkway Life. Okay.
Wow. What else? Maple Tree.
I mean Singtel if drop lah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Singtel. Maple Tree, no.
Oh, Maple Tree,
Tree,
no. Still downtrend, right? You don't like?
Maple Tree is the the weakest one.
Okay.
Okay. Ascenders.
Ascenders REITs.
Yes.
Okay.
Kaplan Ascenders. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I think need one more.
Give you another one, Hong Kong one.
Okay, Hong Kong one.
ETF 3110.
Okay, let's take a look at 3110.
Right. So the dividend yield is around 5%.
Okay, yes. This
Wow,
one.
this one uptrend.
Wow, steady this one. Okay, so steady uptrend. Is it dangerous or not? This one?
Okay, ETF usually is less volatile as compared to individual stocks, right? Okay, so they have their component stocks inside this ETF. Okay,
Yeah.
so if you look at the chart, uptrend is still intact, and then the movement I think is quite steady, right? I mean, you have to look at the previous chart, historical data. The price, I think, not that volatile as well. Right?
Yeah, I think this one, right? Okay, also show us that the investors they are getting into dividend.
Exactly.
They are getting into dividend play.
Yeah.
Although Singapore, a lot of the stocks, the dividend stocks, right, they are not going very strong. But for this Hong Kong one, right, it shows that money, right, is actually flowing into dividend play. Yeah. All right. So yes, we got these 5 stocks. Okay. So comment down below. If you comment down below the 5 stocks, right, okay, that we are talking about, okay, you have a chance to win this T-shirt. Okay, you got better chance. Okay, you got better chance because the comment is more valuable. Okay, show the behind. Okay.
Show the behind.
Okay, show the back of the T-shirt. Okay, the 1% trader. So if you want to win this T-shirt, okay, comment down below, okay, in the chat, and like and subscribe to this channel. We will choose one lucky person, and we will send you this T-shirt. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Remember, every week we have this session, and if you subscribe, you get to to get this feed lah. Okay, get this feed from the YouTube. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, good luck everybody. We see you in the next video. Bye bye.